Hello everyone. Again, now we will explore some more concepts in Smartform. Firstly, we will explore uploading and downloading of Smartform. Now, why there is a need of uploading and downloading of Smartform? Suppose you are receiving some requirement in which you have to add something or you have to delete something, but by mistake you have deleted something which is required. So there must be some original backup so that you can retrieve that original thing. So there is always a need of downloading the Smartform. So if by mistake you have deleted, then you can take the backup or you can take the data from the original thing. So how to upload and download the Smartform? Suppose this is my Smartform. I am going for the change mode of the Smartform. Now before starting with the changes, I will download the Smartform. I will save the Smartform onto the desktop, suppose. Yes. Now suppose now I am starting with the changes and by mistake I have deleted this sixth window. I have activated the Smartform also. Now how can I get the original Smartform? But so in this case I have already taken the backup onto the desktop, so I can take the original Smartform from the desktop. So how to take the original Smartform? I will go for utilities, I will go for upload, I will pass the name of the Smartform and I will take the backup. Now see, in this Smartform now I have the sixth window. So this is all about uploading and downloading. Whenever you are downloading the Smartform, it's always download in XML format, and whenever you are uploading, it's again uploading in the XML format. So whenever you start with some changes in the Smartform, it's always preferable that you have to download the original form, and after that you have to start with the changes. So if in future you have deleted something, there must be some way to retrieve the original thing. So this is all about uploading and downloading of Smartform. Now we will cover how to print current page number and how to print total page number in Smartform. Now generally whenever you are receiving some bill or whenever you are receiving some layout, we have the page number like this: page 1 of 5, page 2 of 5, page 3 of 5, page 4 of 5, page 5 of 5. So what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? These are the current page numbers and 5 is our total page number. So how to print the current page number and total page number in Smartforms? So for printing this, suppose I am creating one window. I will go for output options of the window. Suppose left margin of the window is 17 centimeter. Upper margin, suppose I am taking 0,02. Width, suppose I am taking as 2. 2 is correct. Suppose height is 1 centimeter. Now in this window I am creating one text. So how to print the total page number and current page number? I will go for editor. I will go for go to change editor. So for printing the current page number, we have one system variable, that is sfsy page, and for printing the total page number, we have one system variable sfsy form pages. So this is the system variable for printing the current page number, and this is the system variable for printing the total page number, page and form pages. Now if I back it or if I am activating it, if I am checking for the output, I am providing the input 4970, output device. If I am going for print preview, see, now the page number is appearing. This is current page number, this is our total page number. Suppose now if I am providing one input in which I have suppose two number of pages, suppose Now I'm going for SC11 transaction code. I will check for the entries which will go on to the second page. I'm going for contents. Suppose 496924980. Suppose I am searching. Suppose for 4976 it's 4 entries, 49807 entries. I am searching for the test case in which entries goes on to the second page. Now suppose if I am executing this, four 4980 suppose. (4980) has 4 number of records. What I will do, I will decrease the height of the main window so that the data will go on to the second page. I am activating this. Now if I am passing the input, suppose 4980, if I am executing this, going for print preview, see, now I have total 5 number of pages in the output. See, in the page 1 of 5, if I am page down, page 2 of 5, page 3 of 5, page 4 of 5, page 5 of 5. So whenever your data is printing on more than 1 pages, in that case you have to print the current page number and you have to display the total page number also. So by how you can print? For printing the total page number, we have the system variable. For printing the current page number, we have system variable sfsy page. For printing the total page number, we have the variable sfsy form pages. So this is all about how to uploading and downloading and how to print the current and total number of pages in SmartForm. Rest we will continue in next lecture.